Go.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Come on. So,
There's a new great sound.
okay, so let's draw a keyboard, okay? Y.
No. QWERTYUIO. You don't have to type that. QWERTY. UIOP.
Okay, and how about the second row?
ASDF.
There's a new great sound.
Okay, what's the third row? Okay, so these are the American keyboard. Eric. American keyboard. Okay, so let's say I have a few words, yeah? Eric, Ryan,
That's me.
Pooh, Alaska.
There's a new great sound.
Yeah? Alaska. How do you spell it? Okay.
Alaska. No, that's not how you spell it.
Okay, that's fine. So we want to find out, we're given a list of words, we want to find out which words can be typed using only one row of keys. Right?
But that's not how you spell it.
How do you spell it? A-L-S-K-A-L-A. A-L-A-S-K-A. Okay? So how many of these can be typed using only one row of keys?
Alaska can.
Yeah? Alaska.
Poop. Dad.
Okay. Yeah? Okay, you got it.
Poo.
Yeah?
Pop.
Okay.
Pop.
So yes, so how do we solve this problem?
That's cold.
Yeah? How do we solve this problem? Pop, not pop. Okay? How do we solve this problem?
Pop. Pop is.
How do we solve this problem?
It's you just. I need a toilet. You just group or thing.
Yeah. We check each actually we go through each word, and we check the characters in it. We just go through each character to see if it all belongs to the first row, second row, or third row. Okay? Yeah? Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
look, these words can contain the uppercase letters, so we should be carefully when checking if the character is in first row, second row, or third row. Okay, so let's define this. First row equals this, yeah? Second row equals this.
Egyptian style.
Third row equals this, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, sit down. Okay, so we can just do this, yeah? So first of all, first, second, third row, for
Down the knee up. Hey, what's that? Ouse.
which one?
Ouse. Yeah, ouse.
Alaska. So yeah, let me just
Sounds
rewrite
more
everything.
like a name.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Can you go sit down, Eric? You
Record more.
Wow.
Okay.
Define, let's say single row, yeah, single row.
Rachel.
We're given a list of words. We're given a list of words. So first of all, we have to define the keys in the first row, which is E, Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. Okay. The second row is A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, and the third row is C, X, C, V, B, and M, right? Okay. So these are the strings. So we can convert these strings into a set, hash set, notebook. Why can we do this? What's the advantage if we put a set here? Anybody? What's the advantage if we convert a string?
The lookup is 01.
Where the lookup time, yes.
Which is super fast.
Look, if a string, we can say, okay,
Yeah,
C
it's super fast.
Yeah,
and
C
no one can beat it. And
in
yeah.
first, right? If this first is a string, then the lookup time is linear, right? So you have to go through each character to see if it matches the C. But if the first is a hash table, a hash set, then the lookup time is constant. Yeah, we talk about the hash table, right?
Yeah.
Hash table. So basically we have we won't convert anything, you know. So what's hash table? What's hash table?
Hash table is
So we have something here, and I go through a hash function. hash sum function, and then you tell us the position where to store the
Yeah.
items, right? So that's O1 constant term, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you not sit there? Otherwise, people will not see the whiteboard. Okay, they will just see you. Yeah, walking here and there. Okay.
Okay.
So now, okay, so the answers. We have the answers, obviously. So we want to go through each word. For W in word, yeah, in a word. And then look, we define the function first. If check, if this is a single row, if check W, then we append it to answer, yeah, append to W, and we return W. Okay, so the key thing here is the check. We haven't defined this check function. So how do we check? As we said, we want to go through the characters in word, okay? In word, okay? So W, right? So what can we do? We can say if we return or function, okay, or x in first row, x in first row for x in W, right? So that means all means that everything inside, everything in there, in the all function, needs to satisfy. That means all. And what's any? There's another keyword called any. What's any? What's the difference between all and any?
Or is like if that it could be any of them, and then any could be like anything, and or is like comparing to, and it could be like any of them.
Any is any. If one of them matches, then it returns true. All means that everything in that, right? So all here, what it means is all x in first for x in W, right? Look, x in W, look. W is a string, is a word. X is the characters, all the characters. So it basically means all the characters in W needs to be in first row, right? So needs to be in first row. So return all, and then all, same thing in second row, yeah? All insert the row, right? This is a three conditions. Either the characters from from W needs to be from first row, or needs to be on second row, or needs to be on the third row. Okay. So that's all. So, but before that, we need to convert this to lowercase, to lower, so it will be lower. W to lower means to convert it to all lowercase. Okay. The other way is we can compare. We can convert it into set. Look, remember we already have the set of first, second, third. Yeah. If we convert it here, if we convert it W, like let's say A equals set W, then we just have to check if this A, if it's a subset of first, or if it's a subset of second, or if it's a subset of third. So we can use this, return A dot is subset of first, right? Or A dot is subset of second, yeah? Or A dot is subset third, okay? Anybody, can you tell me, do you understand this one? A is a set of the characters in the word, and I want to compare that if it's a subset of all the characters in the first row, or the second row, or the third row, right? Okay, look, what's the subset? Look, this is a subset. This is a set A. Subset.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Subset is the smaller one. Yeah, this is a subset. Okay, so what does it mean? S is a subset of A. Everything in S is contained by a bigger set A, right? So can you tell me, okay, S dot is subset A. Does it return true or false? S dot is subset of A. Does it return true or false?
False.
Huh? What do you mean false?
True.
Come on, just give me
True.
why.
Because S is a subset of A.
Okay, yeah, but why you say it's false at the beginning?
Because I don't know.
Okay. Okay. How about A is subset? Is subset of S. Is it true or false?
False.
Yeah, because A is clearly not subset. How about this? The left is A, the right is S. S is a subset of A.
False.
Okay. How about S if it's this one? Yeah. Is this S is a subset of A?
True.
Yeah, well done. How about this? S is a subset of A.
False.
Okay. Right, Ryan. Okay, Ryan, come on. How about A and S is exactly the same? Is A and S? Is S is a subset of A?
False.
True.
True. It's true. Because exactly the same, then it's also a subset. Okay? Yeah? Yeah. Look, this circle could go as big as A, right? What subset means the elements in one set are all contained by another set, right? So this is one way of doing it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions so far today?
Not really.
Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.
Fine. Dun 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 dun.